So welcome to the EduTech Lab. Today I am going to perform the simple activity relative to the Boyle's law. So according to the Boyle's law, the product of the pressure and volume remain constant at the constant temperature. Now when I increase the pressure, then corresponding to the volume is decreased, and now when we increase the volume, then corresponding to the decrease the pressure. So now let's see this activity. So I have one disposal, and first we talk about the parts of this disposal. So this is the barrel of this disposal, and so this is the plunger of this disposal, and you can see the small balloon inside this barrel. Now when I just put the plunger inside this barrel and the tip of this barrel just is pressed with the thumb, then you can see the volume inside the barrel is. But now when we decrease the volume inside the barrel with the help of plungers, then you can see the size of the balloon inside this barrel is decreased, because the volume inside the barrel is decreased and the pressure inside the barrel is increased, but the pressure inside the barrel is larger than the pressure inside the balloon, and so the pressure inside the barrel just apply the force on the outer surface of the balloon. Due to this, the size of the balloon just decrease. Now again I repeat this experiment in opposite direction. Now in this experiment I will just increase the volume. So again press the tip with the help of thumb and just increase the volume. Then you can see the size of the balloon is increased, because now when we increase the volume, the pressure inside the barrel is decreased and the pressure inside the barrel is just less than the pressure inside the balloon. Due to this, the size of the balloon is increased. So with the help of this simple activity, we just understood about the concept of the Boyle's law. So thanks for watching. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more activity relative to the science. So thanks.